Another very critical concept of business in today's time is value creation, how your business create value, right? Again, many people have vague idea and they confuse value creation with profit maximization. It's not. So look at this chart again. And the very successful businesses of today, like Amazon and Apple, they believe that, so fundamental purpose remains the same for any business, to create shareholders value. There is no doubt in it. But successful businesses of today have learned that the best way to create shareholders value is first creating customer value, right? And how do you create customer value? Your employees create value. So three stakeholders: employee, customer, shareholders. There is a logic, there is a flow of value creation. If employee creates value, then customer get value, and customer can create value for shareholders. Now, employees cannot do that alone in isolation. Employees also need enablement. So on the left side, look at the technology, systems, infrastructure, processes. Those help employees to do their job. On the other side is the leadership of the organization, is the culture of the organization, which also help them. So now you see that all components on this simple chart are very much connected. And again, you may already know all that information, but probably you have not seen that in a structured manner. So think of your business and think how the value is created. What value is being created for customers, and how the customer value is being created by employees, and how the supporting structure is enabling employees to create value, right? How the customer value relate to shareholders? Again, very simple. So as an employee, you may be wondering that what do I do that create value for customers? So it's very simple. Customer value is basically customer happiness, or customer delight, or customer satisfaction. If a customer is happy, customer already have creating value. Because if customer is happy, customer is brand loyal, customer is retained with the company satisfied, you look on the shareholder side. This creates larger market share. This makes customers to buy product with more price premium. Look at Apple. Now, Apple products are probably comparative in terms of the technology with other products in the market, but Apple customers are not customers, they are fans. They are willing to pay a higher price, and that creates shareholder value. So there is a sequence. If you look in these areas, in these cause and effect relationship, the business become much more clearer to you. So it's really not a big challenge or rocket science or any other complex area you cannot understand. You need some structured approach to learn business.